We have one headquarters in Brasília, inside the Army headquarters. We are inside that headquarters. And we have 5 different factories. We have 5 factories in the southeast part of Brazil. One factory that produces small weapons, one factory that produces communications and electronic systems, one factory that produces heavy ammunition for artillery, for mortars and all that stuff, and 2 chemical factories that produce explosives and propellants. Our main customer is the Brazilian Army, but we are open to have customers everywhere and abroad. So we can produce all the products that we have for anyone who has interest to that. So we have 4 main family of products. We have the communication electronic systems with radios and systems to control artillery fire. We have ammunition from 6 millimeters until 155 millimeters, small weapons, rifles and pistols, and also explosives and propellants like TNT, nitrocellulose, RDX, and pounders and all that stuff. Especially to Turkey, we had some teams from our specialists going to Turkey to take a look in the factories that the government of Turkey offered to take a look on that, to probably in the future we have some cooperation along with Turkey companies. And of course we have some deals with other countries all around the world, especially in the South Hemisphere. For us, our main difference for us is that we can guarantee the life cycle of the product that we sell for the whole life cycle of the product and the whole life cycle that the customer desire. So for example, we have in Brazil, one of the rifles that we have in Brazil was produced in 1960, in the 60s. And until today, they are using that rifle. And until today, we keep the spare parts and all the maintenance for that rifle supporting the Brazilian Army.